Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize eBay selling integration with PayPal, complete guide step by step clearly. Log into your eBay account using your credentials. Navigate to the account settings section from your eBay homepage. Locate the account tab and click on it. In the account area, find the PayPal account option. Select Link My PayPal account to begin the authorization process. You will be redirected to the PayPal login page. Enter your PayPal email address and password. Click Log in to proceed. Once logged in, PayPal will request permission to share your information with eBay. Review the permissions and click Agree and Continue. You will be redirected back to eBay after successfully linking your PayPal account. Verify the success message confirming the link between eBay and PayPal. If not prompted, check for any alerts requiring your attention on the eBay account page. Your PayPal account is now authorized for eBay selling integration. You can now manage payments and receive funds for your eBay sales through PayPal. If needed, you can repeat the process to link a different PayPal account at any time. Ensure to keep your account information secure and monitor transactions regularly. Return to your eBay account to start listing products for sale with your PayPal integration. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.